respected Director Ma'am, faculty member, and my dear students. My name is Kanika Tyagi, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to today's insightful and enriching session organized under the IIC Self-Driven Initiative. Today's topic is verbal ability and communication skills for competitive examination and professional growth. In today's competitive era, communication skills and verbal ability plays a vital role not only in clearing examination but also in achieving professional success and personal growth. This session has been specially organized to help students strengthen these essential skills for a brighter future. Before going forward for our event, let us introduce with our institution, Geeta Ratan International Business School. It offers a range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses in management and law, including BBA, MBA, MBA IB, integrated BBA MD, BA LLB, BBA LLB, and LLB. The institute is recognized for its strong academic framework and industry-oriented curriculum that focuses on developing analytical thinking, decision-making, and overall personality development. The college has received significant recognition, including an A grade from MAAC and a high rating from regulatory bodies, reflecting its quality education and infrastructure. It also emphasizes practical learning through internships, workshops, seminar, and industry interaction, supported by its Industry Institute Partnership Cell (IIPC). With a strong placement support system, it provides opportunity with reputed companies and focuses on enhancing employability skills among students. The institute offers a balanced mix of academic excellence, professional exposure, and co-curricular development, making it a popular choice for students pursuing careers of business and law. Now, before we proceed further with today's session, it is a matter of a great pride and happiness for all of us to announce the winner of the My Wiki, My Gifts Pride BP Challenge Contest 2026. This contest was organized to encourage engagement on various social media platforms while promoting the pride, identity, and spirit of gifts. It also beautifully reflected the creativity, enthusiasm, and digital participation of our students. Now, I am delighted to announce that the winner of this contest is Ms. Harshita Gupta from MBG4. Congratulations on this remarkable achievement. Your outstanding creativity, enthusiastic participation, and impressive engagement across various social media platforms truly reflected the spirit and pride of gifts. Through your innovative presentation and dedication, you have set a wonderful example of confidence, talent, and institutional pride. Your efforts have made you truly a deserving winner of this contest. Now, I would like to request Professor Dr. Umesh Chaudhary ma'am to kindly come on stage and present the Samsung smartwatch to Harshita Gupta.
लैपटॉप शेयर कर दो
It is my proud privilege to introduce our esteemed guest speaker, Ms. Shikha Pant ma'am. She is a highly accomplished, well faculty with more than 18 years of experience in field of education and skill development. She has mentored thousands of students for prestigious examinations such as CAT, CET, CLAT, CSAT, GRCT, CL Educate, IMS Learning Resource, and Technical Professional Studies. Through her dedication and guidance, she has supported over 3,500 underrepresented students in securing placement in top organization. She is also a TEDx speaker who inspires learners to discover their strength and unlock their full potential. Ma'am's teaching style combines subject expertise with motivation, practical learning, and professional transformation, making her a highly respected mentor among students. As a token of our gratitude and a symbol of growth, positivity, and new beginning, I would now like to request Professor Dr. Umesh Chaudhary ma'am to kindly present the ceremony to our esteemed guest, Ms. Shikha Pant ma'am, along with Rahul Dev sir. A round of applause for Shikha ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, with further delay, I would like to request everyone to put your hands together and warmly welcome Ms. Shikha Pant ma'am to share her valuable thoughts with us.
Requesting everyone to maintain silence in the auditorium.
Silence.
Sir, mic कौन सा माइक चाहिए भाई? कौन सा चलाओ सर. चल रहा है. हाँ, सब कुछ ऑन है भाई, सब चेक किया अभी. मैम हो गया. मैम वो लाइट बंद कर दो ना पूरी देर. भाई वो
Hello everyone. I can't hear you. So how are you all?
Good.
Good? Or you are the best? Don't you think you are the best? Yes, tell me. Let me come downstairs first, okay?
अबे यार कोई नहीं चाहिए.
Okay, so I just wanted to come near you, okay, to start the interaction. So as you all know that for what reasons we are here for? For?
मैम इधर आ दो आप.
Acha, okay, that's a very good answer. We are here for degree. And what help us? What help us to get a degree? Okay, so you are going to get the degree. So after degree, then what? Tell me your name.
कुछ नहीं.
Take the mic. Be confident. Yes. So after the degree, what is the next step? Job. And how you are going to get the job? How you are going to get the job? Degree says skills वगैरह. Okay, fine. Great. So today we are here to understand that what is required to get something good after the degree. Okay? So this session is for the importance of communication skills and how these communication skills are going to make your dream come true. Okay? So are you all ready? How's your Josh? How's your Josh? Can you be loud? Can you speak from your stomach? How's your Josh? Good? That's great. Let's start. So as you can see, it is about the verbal ability, communication skills, and competitive examination and professional growth. Students, there is a humble request from our side that please maintain the silence because this is really going to help you to understand that what you need to make your future very, very bright. It's very important to get the degree. It is very important to get the good academic proficiency, but along with that, what is more important is that your communication skills, because that will help you to reach where you wanted to be in life, okay? So I just want to ask you one simple question. Ma'am, I'm coming to you. Where is the mic? Okay. What is your dream? What do you aspire for?
No idea?
No idea?
Okay, ma'am.
And to be successful, okay? See, it is so difficult for us. We are in our own premises. We are sitting with our friends. Can I take your attention, please?
Boys,
So we are sitting in our college, we are sitting with our friends, okay? But then it is so difficult for us to even speak one sentence. What if you are sitting in an interview?
Qualifications.
Okay, thank you so much. So we require resume, communication skills, okay? So communication skills is something that cannot be ignored, okay? So from classroom to boardroom, can we change the slide please? Okay. Academic life and corporate life. Academic life, okay, we have exams, we have semesters, okay, we have parameters of appraisal. They are very clear, okay, very clear segment we have in front of our eyes, okay. We know that what we are doing, how we are preparing ourselves. Our teachers are with us, our mentors are with us. They are continuously guiding us. Okay, yes, two boys sitting at the back and discussing that how they can reach to the corporate life. Okay, am I right, sir? Sitting at the back? Am I right what I'm saying? You are discussing that how you can see yourself in the corporate room. Am I right? Okay. So here, but when you go to the corporate life, things are very, very unpredictable. Okay? It is that choice of what we do to earn money. It's very important. Aren't we all concerned that how we are going to make our parents proud of ourselves, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Definitely yes. We are concerned that how we are going to make our parents proud. How we are going to make our life happy. If I am saying happy, then to have a good life partner, isn't it? Yes? Equally successful life partner. And how you are going to get an equally successful life partners. Yes, boys, if you are successful, am I right? Am I making sense? समझ में आ रही है बात? हमें एक successful life partner तभी मिलेगा जब हम भी successful होंगे, ठीक है? Structure of learning necessary to learn and unlearn. Structure of testing, when, how and continuous. Okay, so here again, when we wanted to see ourselves to the corporate life, we need to be very, very ambitious. We need to have a good communication skills. We need to have a very, very strict vision and also a determination to make our dreams come true. So can you change the slide please? So please, it's very, very important that choose wisely but do not be adamant. Ziddhi mat banna. ठीक है? Just select something that is the best for you. Okay? And then, best practices at the academic life works in a corporate life. अभी जो आप काम करेंगे, अभी जो decisions लेंगे, वही आगे चल के आपकी corporate life को best बनाएगा. Okay? That means select good career, select good exams. If you wanted to be in a government job, then please check what all exams are important for the government job. If you wanted to see yourself in the corporate life, then please sit for the good placements, work hard and make yourself proficient enough to face any adversities in life, okay? कोशिश भी कर, उम्मीद भी रख, रास्ता भी चुन. फिर इसके बाद थोड़ा मुकद्दर तलाश कर. Make an effort, guys. That is very important कि आपको मेहनत खुद करनी है, ठीक है? Can you change the slide, please? Thank you. Now today, as you all know that अभी आपने जो introduction सुना, I'm Shikha Pan. with these academic exams for the last 20 years. I have dealt with exams like GMAT, GRE, जो foreign universities होती हैं. अगर आपको बाहर जाके पढ़ाई करनी है तो इसके बाद आपको GMAT देना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? जो BBA के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, अगर आप आगे पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो आपको बाहर की यूनिवर्सिटीज के एग्जाम्स देने पड़ेंगे. अगर आप गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के लिए बैठ रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो देयर आर मेनी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स लाइक SSC है, आपका बैंक है, RBI है, ठीक है, आप बैंक PO के एग्जाम्स दे सकते हैं, राइट, आप UPSC दे सकते हैं, आप अपने आप को एज अ सिविल सर्वेंट देख सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये आपके गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स हैं. जो MBA के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए बैठेंगे, ठीक है. कई कंपनीज ऐसी आती हैं जो आपका रिटन टेस्ट लेगी, ठीक है, जिसमें आपका वर्बल एबिलिटीज होंगी, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड्स होंगे, ठीक है, और आपके इंटरव्यूज होंगे. सो आई हैव बीन डीलिंग विद ऑल दीज एग्जाम्स फॉर द लास्ट 20 years. I have trained and mentored students like you, many students like you, from universities, from schools, to make their dreams come true. Okay? So, for verbal ability, जो English का exam है, okay, how many of you feel that you are really, very confident in this field? Raise your hand. And please be honest, you know. If you're honest to yourself, you're honest to many people around you. How many of you feel that you are confident? Raise your hand. No one? But you can be confident. Maybe with your efforts, maybe next time when I'm talking to you, you will raise your hand. For that you need to make an effort. And for that, these skills will matter a lot, okay? So, verbal ability will help you to be successful. Students, can I have your ears please? आप प्लीज अगर यहाँ बैठे हैं तो आपको सुनना है. It's very important, okay? Because I want that each and every student leaving this room is going out with some learning, and I will appreciate that. Thank you so much. So, success in competitive exams, clear thinking and expressions, performance in interview and GD, academic and professional growth. Knowledge gives you power. Am I right? It makes you confident. अगर आपके पास डिग्री है, as I remember one student said, what is your name? इसका क्या नाम है बच्चे का? ध्रुव ने अभी बोला कि मैम डिग्री चाहिए. Knowledge is power because that is giving power to ध्रुव. ध्रुव को फ्रेंड हंस रहे हैं साथ बैठ के, कह रहे हैं कि मैम ऐसे कैसे? ओके, चलिए. So knowledge gives you power, but communication gives you clarity to use that power. I hope you agree with me कि communication जो है, good communication skills, ये आपको क्या देती है? आपको power देती है कि आप उस knowledge को सही direction पे ले जा रहे हैं. So why it is important? Why it is important? Because for the exams like CAT, ZAT, GMAT, essential for corporate success and builds confidence and clarity. Okay, right? Now, once your written exam is done, okay, आपकी academic learning capabilities check हो गई. उसके बाद जो आता है selection process. That is aptitude test, shortlisted profiles and personal interviews. Students, listen to me carefully. आप लोग अभी सब कॉलेज में हैं. Please work on your profiles. It's very important कि आपको अपने प्रोफाइल पे वर्क करना है. Okay? I'll come to this later. Yes? Okay. Right. Please. Yes. For the aptitude test, you can see here, the criteria is quant, logical reasoning, verbal ability, and some of the companies and the exams, they conduct your psychometric test. Okay? Now this is a kind of question parameters for exam एक अवेयरनेस दे रही हूँ कि वर्बल एबिलिटी में आपके लाइक यू नो द टॉपिक्स जो आते हैं आपके पैरा जंबल, पैरा समरी, vocabulary, okay, and reading comprehensions. Okay, now this is what is very important. Selection process profile. Okay, जब हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं academic profile की, I just again I'm coming to you guys. ये जो बच्चा बैठा है with this cap, what's your name?
Jaspreet. For you, Jaspreet. Now, Jaspreet will tell us that the selection process के profile में what do I mean by academics? Listen carefully, everyone. Yes, Jaspreet. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Studies about your 12th and your graduation.
Okay. Very good.
That is your merit list, academics merit list, your CGPA, your 10th class marks, your 12th class marks, and also your graduation marks. Okay? So students, please make sure that you are working very, very hard, okay, to get a good percentile. Okay, yes ma'am, for you.
What, please introduce yourself.
Myself, Jia Khurana.
Myself, Jia Khurana, and what else?
I'm from MBA Integrated.
So, Jia, when we are talking about profiles, like we have discussed about the academic profiles, okay? Now, do you understand the importance of internships?
Okay. So, what are you doing to get internships?
And first of all, I'm gonna build my CV with some extracurricular activities, and I'm gonna write my academic percentages and all, and then I'll go for the.
Thank you so much. So, you have a very clear vision. Can we have a good round of applause for Jia? Great. So, then we have some extracurricular events, participations, okay? So make sure that you are participating in different societies and many other like extracurricular activities, because that is going to be counted. Okay? So can we please change the slide? Now the next question comes is, what is verbal ability? Now why we are using the word ability with verbal? Okay ma'am.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Manya and I'm from BBA. Verbal ability means the way we are talking right now, the ability to speak and communicate.
Absolutely.
Again, I will exert yourself. Please round of applause for her. Very good. Thank you so much ma'am for the cooperation. So, verbal ability is understanding and using the language effectively. Okay? When I'm saying using the language effectively along with the theoretical understanding, it is a way we are communicating. That is very, very important. Okay? Includes grammar, vocabulary and comprehension. Yes sir. Change the slide. So now, as you can see, these are the core areas. Latest work that you are dealing with.
I'm not right now dealing with fiction, I'm dealing with self-improvement, the book by Tamron. Its name is By Yourself by Tamron.
Very good, very good. That is, she's reading the book on self-improvement. That is very nice, because books are something that keeps on motivating us. Are you fond of reading, ma'am?
No. So what do you like to do? Can you just share your hobbies with us?
I like to hang out with my friends and I like sleeping.
Okay, that's a very, very honest answer. Again, round of applause for her. Very, very honest answer, because you know, it takes a lot of guts to be honest in front of so many people that I like to sleep. Okay, that is wonderful, ma'am. Very good. Okay, so reading comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, parajumbles and critical reasoning. So if you wanted to have a good hold on RC, because see, I've been dealing with this topic for the last so many years, and what I have noticed, that if you have a good hold on reading, now reading doesn't mean guys that novels. Seriously friends, when I'm saying reading, reading doesn't mean that oh, I like to read novels. No, reading can be anything. Even you are traveling and you are reading a hoarding. That is what reading is. से आप एक वर्ड को याद कर सकते हैं जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं mnemonic techniques. Alertness. Alacrity होता है very fast, alert, quick, okay? And then we have belligerent. Any idea about this word meaning, students at the last? Any idea about the word meaning of belligerent? Bell क्या होता है? घंटी. पर यहाँ पे घंटी से कोई, पहले जब wars होती थी तो क्या होता था? लोग घंटी बजाते थे कि yes, there is some serious issue. तो यहाँ से हम लोग एक रूट ले रहे हैं बेल. Belly is fight, anger, aggression. Belligerent is aggressive. Belligerent is warlike. Okay? So आप जब भी root words को या vocabulary को learn करते हैं, it is very important that you can take the help of root words technique. Okay? Right? Fine? Now these are some words, synonyms and antonyms. Okay? So आपके एग्जाम्स में verbal ability में आपके synonyms आएंगे और antonyms आएंगे. So if you have the idea about the meaning of the words, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप इन questions को easily answer कर सकते हैं. Okay? Yes.
The first one, the word is sagacious. Okay. Let's try.
Who would like to give the answer to this question? Sagacious. Okay, I'll give you. Okay. Do you want to know the short trick to understand and remember the meaning of this word, sagacious? Are you keen enough? Yes. Sagacious, sage. Sage कौन होता है? Saint, wise person. Okay, right? याद है जब आप छोटे थे तो मम्मी बोलती थी कि साग खाओ, इंटेलिजेंट हो गए. पोपाय देखा है किसी ने? पोपाय कार्टून. पोपाय is a sea warrior. वो जब भी can of spinach पीता है तो वो he used to take a wise decision. So sagacious से we can take the word saag. Okay, that is wise. Okay, so sagacious is a person who is very wise. Okay, so we have excessively grasping. Grasping क्या होता है कि आप बैठे हो और learn कर रहे हो, grasp कर रहे हो, तो that means you are wise. Now it says the passage below, you can listen to me also because it is very important for us to have a listening skills. Exams or in the aptitude exam, you will not get anything in the bolded format. Okay, it's just that I did it for you so that you will able to understand that there are certain areas that are important. Okay? Singer viewed himself as a utilitarian. Now what is utilitarian? Utilitarian is that someone who sees utility, complete happiness. Okay? Singer viewed himself as a utilitarian and present a direct moral theory concerning animal rights. Now after reading the passage, what are things that we can understand is that passage is about the animal rights? Passage is about that even the animal pain is equally important like the pain of us. The author is comparing animals and humans and he's an animal lover. एक चीज पता चल रही है कि जो ऑथर है वो क्या है? एनिमल लवर है. ठीक है? Singer viewed himself as a utilitarian and presented direct moral theory concerning animal rights in contrast to indirect positions such as welfareist views. He argued for extending moral consideration to animals because similar to humans, animals have a certain significant interest. Now this part is very important, that similar to humans, animals have certain significant interest. They have equally interest as compared to the human beings. Okay? As such, we ought to view their interests alongside an equal human interest, which results in human having direct moral duties. Now what do I mean by direct moral duties? Direct moral duties is not that I am taking care of animal because I am going to get certain benefits from them. No, not at all. I am taking care of animals because I want to take care of them. I understand that even they are living beings. They have equal pain. They feel pain like us. That is why I am taking care of animals. एक बात बताइए, अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, एक कोई डॉग है, उसको चोट लग गई, ठीक है, आप उसको एक वेट के पास इसलिए ले जाओगे क्योंकि वो आपको हेल्प करेगा? नहीं, आप इसलिए ले जाओगे क्योंकि आप उसके पेन के साथ रिलेट कर रहे हो। आपको लग रहा है कि वो एक लिविंग बीइंग है, उसको भी इक्वल पेन होता है, ठीक है? सेम इज हियर. Animals have an interest in fulfilling their basic needs, but also in avoiding suffering, and thus we ought to extend moral considerations. So please take the slide. Now see, we understand the passage. Now if you understand the passage, it is very easy for you to answer to the question. Okay? Yes. What does significant interest mean in this context? Desire that are biological driven? No, biological driven is not correct. It is not at all relatable. Needs that must be legally enforced. Now that is a very, very strong term, legally enforced, okay? Interest of being capable of expressing them verbally. Important needs and desire that justify ethical consideration. Yes, that justify ethical consideration, okay? See, the point is, आरसी को करने के लिए it's very important कि हमें पैसेज को समझना पड़ेगा, हमें एलिमिनेशन ट्रिक्स समझनी पड़ेगी। तो हम क्या करते हैं जब हम आरसी पढ़ाते हैं या जब हम लोग आरसी करते हैं? So what I do is I granting them rights, promote religious views. No, we cannot go for the religious part. Advocate for banning all forms of human-animal interaction. No, that is also not the concern. Second. That is second. Yes, absolutely. Please change the slide. Now this is the summarized part. Okay, this is a summary question, but I just wanted to skip that because I wanted to come to the interviews वाला segment. सर आप interviews वाला segment लेकर आइए please. आगे बढ़ाते जाइए, आगे बढ़ाइए. Yes, इससे पहले वाला. Now this is very important from. I will not take much of your time, friends. Please आप इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए कि आपको अपने प्रोफाइल पे वर्क करना है, ठीक है? What makes a great profile? First is academic excellence. A good GPA percentage, graduate or even 10th or 12th. That is हम लोग बोलते हैं आपका या तो 889 होना चाहिए, ठीक है, या 888 होना चाहिए. So you need to have a good academic excellence. Certifications. Apart from your certification जो अभी है, आप लोग और भी certifications ले सकते हैं. काफी एग्जाम्स होते हैं जैसे आप कोर्सेरा से कर सकते हो जो certifications हैं. If you are interested for some government exams, तो नेप्टल के आप ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स या ऑफलाइन एग्जाम्स दे सकते हैं, ठीक है? या आप यूडेमी से कर सकते हैं, या आप और भी जैसे आजकल डेटा साइंस बहुत ट्रेंड में है, तो यू कैन गो फॉर सम डेटा साइंस या कुछ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के भी आप कुछ सर्टिफिकेशंस ले सकते हैं because that is really going to be helpful to you. Okay? Projects. कॉलेज में है तो make sure that you are doing many projects. आपको प्रोजेक्ट लीड करना है, ठीक है? आपको अगर हो सकता है if it is possible MBA students या BBA students आप रिसर्च पेपर लिखिए. Get your research paper published क्योंकि if you are interested going outside India for studies तो आपके रिसर्च पेपर्स आपको बहुत हेल्प करेंगे, ठीक है? So make sure that you are writing research papers, okay? And then awards, any academic awards of the recent past, ठीक है? आपके awards भी आपको बहुत हेल्प करेंगे. Now what makes for a great profile? Internships and achievements. Make sure that you are securing good internships. Even BBA students, make sure that you are in internship because even if you wanted to give a gap after BBA, you wanted to give a gap, you can go for a placement or first you take the internship because जो आपका internship period है वो आपका count करेगा, ठीक है? अगर आप मान लीजिए कहीं पे किसी को एग्जाम दिख रहे हैं, आपने कोई गैप दिखा है, तो you can fill that gap saying कि आप वो internship कर रहे थे. तो internships are really helpful to you. तो make sure कि आप कोई internship कर रहे हैं. Achievements highlight. Now see, मैंने क्या बोला, माई नेम इज दिस और माई सेल्फ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वॉन्टेड टू करेक्ट यू गाइज. नेवर इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ सेइंग माई सेल्फ. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. We never start with myself. My name is so and so. My name is Shikha Pant. I will never say myself is Shikha Pant. So always give a strong introduction and none of you highlight your achievements in that introduction. So please जब भी आप introduce करते हैं अपने achievements के बारे में बात करिए. आपने 12th में क्या करा, आपने कोई NSO एग्जाम दिया था या आपने कोई IO का एग्जाम दिया था, कोई नेशनल लेवल आपने गेम्स खेले हैं. प्लीज हाईलाइट दैट बिकॉज in the interviews the people are more keen to know that where you are good at. Okay, ठीक है. Now leadership, bring out your stories on leadership from the past. ठीक है. अब जैसे अगर आपका कोई बेस है, जैसे let me talk about myself, okay? Like I started with that I have been teaching for the last 20 years. That is my achievement. Okay, right? My academic proficiency is my achievement. I have masters in psychology. That really helps me to understand the behavior of the students. Okay. I was a part of a central government. I was a news reader with All India Radio. That is my achievement. ठीक है? I am a national player in table tennis. That is my achievement. So आपके achievements जो होते हैं, जब आप अपने, I remember she is giving me an expression of wow. Okay? Similarly, जब आप अपने achievements बताते हैं, तो interviewer भी बोलेगा oh wow. And that wow will get you a job. That is a wow job. Don't you think that it is really going to be very helpful to all of you? So please, whenever you introduction, make it very, very impressive and effective by talking about your achievements. No one is interested about your family background, though our parents are like a god to us. But that is a relation we are sharing with them, not our employers. Okay, right? Yes. Now, extracurricular activities, impactful activities. Now, when you say that, like I have run inter-class debate competition, fine, that is very good. But inter-college debate competition, wow, right? So it matters कि आप कौन से achievements के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो जब आप लोग jobs को सीख करेंगे, तो आपके इंटर कॉलेजेस कॉम्पिटिशंस विल गेट यू मोर अट्रैक्शन. ओके. पैशन इनिशिएटिव, डू मोर ऑफ व्हाट यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट. इफ यू आर पैशनेट फॉर एक्टिंग, प्लीज जॉइन सम थिएटर ग्रुप. When I was in college, I was a part of road shows, नुक्कड़ नाटक. ठीक है. I have acted in many of the Doordarshan programs, that is the serials. Okay, so I had that passion for for acting. So like I used to be a part of a theater. So make sure that कि कल ये ना हो कि यार मैंने ये काम नहीं करा था. Live your passion. डांस का शौक है, कथक ज्वाइन करो, contemporary डांस ज्वाइन करो. So just lead your passion. That is very important. Okay. Quantify your impact. Highlight measurable outcomes. ठीक है. Networking. Now let me come to this. How many of you are operating your LinkedIn profile? Very good. Make sure that you are working on your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn networking is very important because this networking will also help you to get some good jobs. Right? जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, जैसे लेट्स से आप कोई अपने कॉलेज का कोई सेमिनार लीड कर रहे हैं, या आप लेट्स से यू आर एन एंकर और यू हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड इन सम कॉलेज आउटसाइड, तो आप उसकी फोटोग्राफ्स लिंक्डइन में डालिए. ओके, तो उससे ये होता है कि एटलीस्ट पता चलेगा कि आप अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्टडीज what are the activities you are in. So LinkedIn is very important and make sure that your networking is very strong. Okay, connect कर रहे हैं, आप उनके साथ कनेक्ट करिए. Maybe they will give you the reference. Those referrals are really going to be helpful to you. Okay? Connect with professionals of the industry. अगर आपको, you can visit my LinkedIn profile. You can send me request. Okay? So maybe after 2 or 3 years, maybe I can give you some referrals, because there are thousands of other people who are in my LinkedIn profile. Okay? तो वो LinkedIn भी आपको बहुत help करेगा. Optimize your LinkedIn. Connect with professors. आपके जो teachers हैं, ठीक है, आप उनके साथ कनेक्ट करिए, बिकॉज जो आपको गाइडेंस आपकी टीचर्स दे सकते हैं वो और कोई नहीं दे सकता. हम कहते हैं ना, गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः. तो वो उस कैडर में आते हैं, राइट? प्लीज. Now let's come to the personal interview. This is the last one. I know some of the students are very uncomfortable, but if you are uncomfortable right now, but make sure that your future is not uncomfortable to you. That is what is important. Okay? Personal interview stage. So interview concepts. Now, how do you feel before the interview? कैसा लगता है? Have you ever faced any interview board? Yes? Can you share your experience, ma'am?
I've gone for 2 interviews. First of all, at first there is anxiety, tension, but at the time of the interview I was getting no anxiety. I was confident with the questioning and all the answers which I was giving.
Absolutely. This happens with everyone. Now what is that anxiety? Anxiety of unknown. You have no idea like who are going to be in front of us, what kind of question. And you know, as a human beings, we have this fear of being judged. तो वो भी डर होता है, फेल हो गए तो क्या होगा. Never draw conclusions. बिंदास जाओ. Feel very happy. At least you know you are getting a chance to tell about yourself. कोई सुनेगा आपके बारे में, वैसे कोई नहीं सुनता. तो feel happy, feel excited, feel energetic. Okay? So now we are anxious, we are in a tension or apprehension. Okay? So this is just a first round of feeling that we have, you know, whenever we are facing the interview board. Fear of unknown, fear of known. How many of us afraid of this? Okay? Now there is a written test versus personality assessment. Okay? This we have already discussed. Now what is being checked? Very important. Written test, knowledge and aptitude, this we have discussed, okay? Personality, थोड़ा सा back please. Personality assessment, commitment, ability to think logically and attitude. You know, कई बार जैसे आप लोग maybe some of you are, you know, planning to join Indian Army, maybe serious exam देना चाहेंगे. उसमें हमने कितनी दफे देखा है कि जो students throughout toppers हैं, they are very smart, with a very good physique, okay, they get rejected because the attitude is not correct. So it is very important that we must have a right attitude, that is very positive attitude. Ability to learn. ये कभी मत सोचो कि आपको सब कुछ आता है. Always be ready for the feedback and always be ready to learn. The attitude is very important. Yes, please. Now what is commitment? Knowledge in your area of interest, ability to think logically, question that starts with why, and attitude. Okay? So this is what is from my side.
This session, your valuable insights on verbal ability, communication skills, personal growth, and also the professional growth will securely guide all our students in their academic and career journey. Now, I would request Professor Dipti Jain ma'am to kindly present the memento to Ms. Shikha Pansal as token of love, respect,